How to turn on restricted mode on TikTok. At first, open your TikTok app, then go to your profile by clicking on this profile button, and then click on this three horizontal line. For that, just click on setting and privacy, and then scroll down little bit. Then you will see a option called content preferences. Just click on it, and then click on restricted mode. As you can see, it's turned off, so I will turn it on. Just click on turn on. Just set a password, like I'm choosing 1111, then click on next, and then confirm your password. 11 set, and then choose a option why you want to turn on restricted mode. I'm just selecting curiosity, then click on submit. So it's turned on. So this is how you can turn on restricted mode. If this video helped you out, subscribe my channel. It will help me a lot. Thanks for watching.